On today's menu, a recipe that will warm your belly and your heart. Vegan Miso Udon.
I absolutely love noodle soups. It's just so comforting and it's easy to make.
Bring a pot of water to boil. Garlic. Ginger. Bok choy.
These are absolutely amazing black oyster mushrooms and white oyster mushrooms. Now they're going to get even smaller once you cook them. There's no need to chop them up. Just separate them.
Hot pan, olive oil. Place your udon in boiling water. Garlic and ginger. Bok choy. Stir your noodles occasionally. Mushrooms.
And we're going to add a little bit of that water from the noodles into the pan.
Set aside. Pan back on the heat, 2 cups of veggie stock. Once your noodles are cooked, run it through with cold water. Place miso paste in a separate mixing bowl. Soy sauce, toasted sesame oil.
Just pour in that hot veggie stock.
Whisk. Noodles.
Just pour in your amazing soup.
Veggies. Green onion.
I just love that fresh kind of crispness from the green onions. Of course, this is absolutely optional. Finish off with a little bit of chili oil.
an incredibly flavorful meal you can make with absolute confidence.
Noodle soups are seriously the bomb.